Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumkada ka Jingburom hikam bauba Donald P. Wahlang IAS ubalong kum Chief Secretary Burom jong ka Sarkar Jila bat ubalong ru Commissioner Secretary Burom jong ka Tanat Puliputhi ka Jila ka kinhun kinong hikai All Primary School Teachers Association kala penong ka Pynkup Burom yu ha snisa jan ha Apsta home ka badan ha kada nong bensong Nalor uba Donald P. Wahlang IAS lawan bandong kongsan uba ALHEC MLA kepentor umkra berkekong mandaladu MSCB at SD SEO Shillong kum kesembut kongsan hakajiran kat lang uba FC Shulai Secretary ka Apsta kinoyalam bhakmat ban kidkhot jong ka Apsta uba hek haba ajingkran kum kongsan ulapan kenmau hikam ba uba Donald P. Wahlang ulano senyang syakajela kum juru ya ka imlang ka salang Ulai ka jingero ru ya uba Donald P. Wahlang hakapor ba udang long kumu Commissioner Secretary jong katanat Health but Information Technology bat pinpau ru ba ulayo shibun ki jing hikai na uba Donald P. Wahlang haba jingkran ulapan kan mau bah ka jingya treikam ka jingya treilang kalong ba kongsan namar habadan ka jingya treilang jong baro kilang kala ban kentiyo ya kanu kam
He was also in the health department with me, and I'm sure also that whatever program organized by my department, we all dare to reach before the schedule of the time. So that's why we have to be disciplined. So today my heart starts palpitation. You know why? Because I have another program at 12 o'clock. Now it's already 11:30. So I'll not be able to speak very long today, but I'd like to thank to each one of you who are here. And also, DP Wahlang is a very good friend of mine. I am not only being his minister, but I have learned many things from DP Wahlang. Many things I have learned. To see the file, how to write the file, how to approve the file, that anything which is, for the administration, I have learned it from DP Wahlang. When he was a minister, when he was a Commissioner Secretary Health and also the Commissioner Secretary IT Department Information Technology. We have learned so many things from him. So he is not only contributing only to the Apsta, to the teachers or to the school, but he has so many contributions in the society. He has contributed immensely for the benefits of the people, the benefits of the state, and the benefits of our teachers, who are the teachers as we know it as the shaping the life of the nations. You are the shaping the life of the future. Mafi baru api di kino hikai kiba IT yang laga jong kejim ban shape yang life jo ki babun ba ki kena school ke shape yang life jo ki babun ba yang imlang salang. Bila I contribution si board ba. But I'd like to remind you also that time when they have called me to Pran, I just forgot to tell you, the president of the school name was Lactogen in 1998. You know, Lactogen, he died maybe two and a half years back or 2 years back. Then I told in this program, I said that when your parents has given you the name of Lactogen, even the forex is not available in the Meghalaya. Kaya mas mutunat si board mo bagi kami kikpa to go forward kita Jingburom ulang nutrition. The nutritious food is not available in the state of Meghalaya, but the parents already name his son as a Lactogen. So when the forex also is not available in the state of Meghalaya. So since I have told that we've been working so much, I'd like to thank FC Shulai, Babu Shulai, I used to call him Babu. So much contribution has done because he always stand in his principle. He always worked unitedly. He always put all his effort to ensure whatever problem it is faced, it is going to be make a solution to solve the problem. That is the stand of Babu Shulai. Babu Shulai is not with me only in the Apsta. We were together in the Shnong Gorfling. We walked together in the Dorbar Shnong. At the same time also, he is still my strong supporter of my political part, my political career, with my political career. So today I've seen so many love, so many affection, and so many compassionate to DP Wahlang. I only want to request you, Wahlang, is contest this by-election, taking the interest of the teachers primarily, which is the most important.
So I'm very happy to be here because of the close association that I've had with him and with the former members as well as the present members of Apsta in the past 10-12 years that I've been in education department, as well as when I was the chief secretary, because even when I was chief secretary, I'm not in charge of education department, so they would always come and they were always welcome in my office chamber. Much have been said about my tenure in the department, but I can make only one confession. For me personally, it was very, very difficult and very challenging. At times confusing too, because so many layers, like peeling an onion. It's like peeling an onion. You finish one layer, you think it's over. No, there are more layers inside. The more you peel, the more difficult it becomes, because then you realize that tears are coming out of your eyes. It's so difficult, so challenging. In Khasi, I would like to say, it's like hap lao so kardan. That was in the year 2014-15 when I first joined the department, and I realized it was very difficult. But I also realized that if we have to solve all the pending issues, we have to work together. So the first lesson for all of us, you are all leaders of different associations, or different units of the association. We have to understand one thing: the silver bullet, as they say, or the magic formula is working together. You have to work together as a team. I realized that I have to work together. I have to work together with the association. I have to work together with leaders from the political spectrum too. I had to work together with my own officers. So team effort is the most important thing. For you as members of the unit, for me as an officer also, if there was no good team effort, nothing would have happened. Things which we had planned would have not fructified. If you think that I've done everything on my own, no. It's totally incorrect assumption. We work together. When you talk about, the approval of the CPF, the approval of regularization of the teachers' services, which is a very important step which happened, and many others, most of the decisions were taken at the cabinet level. My job was to take the matter to the cabinet, and Bahek was always a member of the cabinet at that point of time. So it's a team effort that we from the department, along with the members of the cabinet, along with the chief minister, we had to work together to ensure that things move forward. When we realized that school buildings are all in dilapidated condition, many of them are leaking, many of them were breaking down, it was at the cabinet level. Bahek was there, I remember, in the cabinet at the time, that we have to repair all these buildings. We graded them. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D. Class A means major repair. Class D means minor repairs. All those decisions were taken collectively. And if we feel that I have done something for the department, it's because of the team effort with the officers at the lower level also. The support that I got from the then director of school education, Ba Ambrose Marak, cannot be undermined. He also worked tirelessly, and he also faced many challenges. I can assure you, at one point of time, Ambrose, as the director of school education and literacy, spent more time in the premises of the High Court than in the office. So many court cases were there at the time. Mashulai had already mentioned some of them.
Yuan Ra in the district council, man belong state government yapi. Yele egi case. Katnong isim pisa na pi. Day tanga gani ka ba. Nila to ang to bangi ong ba pila iyo itu ki area pila iyo itu ki jong pi. Baro khay to no senyang ar ja. Mangi ko abani I gijing tela kani gijing ker kendro kini baro khay mat shisha kum bangi la kulare pi. Ba iwe pi we nong kai iba siu to ar ja kerteng jong pi kan mi. Tiki baja le si Kija anda hadir mangingila adoption ni gini ngimla man mi ndrengi ong ya gitu gibaca aga Thomas John ke jongi ngin sapen mi yake ngai ru ke Burom ni pi kinokit kam ni ki unit maka ke banga trang bat ke banga angnut aga jingim ke jonga pipen urlong yaka house name arajar arsan habang iyo ban shnai ke to charity home hang te ya po sai sning haga jinglut ke benriu lak tam ndrei te ma phi ki bando ki ba pan hap ini senyam ngadang ya thuru ya iba sayong hybrid ma ya il hek ba kapor mengisna ya kani iba Vincent Palai balong MP ila dep ban kular ban a sipolak bat kata ga sipolak ni ong ipi ba ila kular dala penpiang dadong sedong ndre na bangila lek ban yikendu bat i ban ngong mangin hap tho yo mau mo ba pdi MP scheme sipolak yong hoy bat ha ta kapor ngong ngim tre na marbalei la da nga tho ba la yo igadi ke MP scheme sipolak takamut pisa ka bakinong hikai kino kan saja kerteng na ta kada ngi klam pdiang ya kata ba i kren ru de ka Burom ba Vincent Pala ni ayu ngi smo kemen ba ba pikular ikani sipolak ba pikular ru ban pendep ya ka tangan rengim la ban pdiang ika namar ba kinong ikai kila thiet ikani ka jaga kila sna kan ne saban sna pen ba ta ka buat kan ja no kata ka kerteng jong kinong ikai di kata ka dei kerupam trikam kejongi kum ka session
contributions of Sir, but for today I have just thought about a few which are important as teachers that we should know. Whether it's infrastructure development and reforms, you have left no stone unturned in improving the quality of education as well as modernizing school education in the state of Meghalaya. The most remarkable contributions you have rendered is in reforming the education system through the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020, as well as the development of the State Curriculum Framework 2025. The teachers' training by having professional teachers training and in-service training packages. Sir, I think you have put forward everything that is for the benefit of teachers and also for the students. The implementation of the Teachers Information Management System, which is very important, the TIMS, the Meghalaya School Improvement Program, which we call as teachers the MSIP, to focus and enhance teaching and learning among students. Sir, as Chief Secretary, you inaugurated the state's first STEM education lab and soil organic carbon detection laboratory in Shillong. This went on to the expansion of over 100 STEM laboratories to help students improve in their critical thinking and scientific temperament, particularly in the rural areas of Meghalaya. In infrastructure upgradation in schools, to shift beyond our traditional blackboards to modern smart classrooms. You went on to modernizing curriculums by bringing in efforts to integrate robotics and artificial intelligence into school curriculum, which is a hands-on approach in coordination with the NCRT. We are deeply thankful for your focus on foundational learning, which has helped strengthen reading and numeracy skills for students at the primary level. We will always remain thankful for your contributions towards education and society as a whole. We wish you all the very best in this